Hello, my dears. Welcome to a place where dreams meet reality. Close your eyes and imagine a place where the sun hugs your skin, warming you with its gentle embrace, and the sand is as white as powdered sugar, soft beneath your feet. Picture sparkling turquoise water, so clear you can see colourful fish darting below, inviting you to dive in. This isn't just a dream. This is Great Keppel Island, a real slice of paradise waiting to be explored. Here, time slows down, worries melt away, and nature's beauty takes centre stage, offering a serene escape. The only sounds are gentle waves, tropical birds, and the laughter of fellow travellers, creating a symphony of relaxation. It's an escape from the noise of everyday life, a chance to reconnect with what truly matters, under the golden hues of sunrise or sunset. Let me take you on a journey to this magical island, where every day is a blank page for adventure or peace, waiting to be written. Whether you explore hidden coves, discovering secret spots, or simply relax on the beach, letting the world drift away, the island offers the freedom to do everything, or nothing at all, at your own pace. Join me as we discover the stunning landscapes and secrets of Great Keppel Island, a place where nature and tranquility reign supreme. Let's begin our journey to this magnificent destination, where every moment is a treasure. Our adventure starts on Queensland's Capricorn coast, in the charming town of Yeppoon. From Keppel Bay Marina, a 30-minute ferry ride whisks you away from the mainland. As the coastline shrinks behind you, the islands grow larger and the water shifts from deep blue to dazzling turquoise. Sometimes dolphins leap alongside the boat, welcoming you to their world. The ferry runs several times a day, making it easy to plan a day trip or a longer stay. I recommend staying a few days to truly soak in the island's peaceful rhythm. Book your ferry in advance, especially during holidays, for a smooth journey. When you step off at Fisherman's Beach, there's no busy port, just soft sand and a warm welcome. The arrival is simple and natural, setting the perfect tone for your island escape. You'll feel like you've discovered a secret hideaway, just for you. Great Keppel Island is a treasure trove of natural wonders, offering a unique blend of pristine beaches, lush bushland, and vibrant marine life. With 17 white sand beaches, each with its own charm, you'll find your favourite spot in no time. Whether you prefer a secluded cove or a bustling beach, there's something for everyone. The sand is soft as silk, and the turquoise water is so clear you can see your toes. It's the perfect place to relax and soak up the sun. Calm seas make swimming and snorkeling a delight for everyone. Families can enjoy safe, shallow waters, while adventurers can explore deeper areas. Beyond the beaches, lush bushland and winding walking tracks reveal stunning ocean views. Hiking trails offer a chance to connect with nature and discover hidden gems. Listen for kookaburras, spot butterflies, and watch for wallabies at dusk. The island's wildlife is as diverse as its landscapes. The island's fringing coral reefs are part of the Great Barrier Reef. Just grab a snorkel and swim out from the shore. It's an underwater paradise waiting to be explored. You'll be amazed by vibrant coral gardens and a kaleidoscope of fish. The marine life here is truly spectacular. No need to be an expert diver. The underwater world is accessible to all. Even beginners can enjoy the beauty beneath the waves. Sharing the island with its wildlife is pure joy. Every encounter with the island's creatures adds to the magic of your visit. Every corner offers a new discovery above and below the water. From breathtaking viewpoints to hidden underwater treasures, there's always something new to see. It's a paradise for nature lovers and explorers alike. Whether you're hiking, snorkeling, or simply relaxing, Great Keppel Island offers an unforgettable experience. The beaches are the heart of Great Keppel Island. Fisherman's Beach greets you with calm waters and a gentle curve of sand. Putney Beach, just a short walk away, is perfect for relaxing in the shade and watching boats drift by. For adventure, hike to secluded Long Beach or Monkey Beach. Often you'll have them all to yourself. Each beach transforms throughout the day, cool and peaceful in the morning, sparkling in the afternoon, and breathtaking at sunset. There are no crowds or rows of sun loungers, just you, the sand, and the sea. Build sandcastles, hunt for shells, or simply listen to the waves. The untouched beauty makes every visit special. These beaches aren't just places to see, they're places to feel and remember. Whether you seek solitude or adventure, the island's shores deliver. Every sunset paints the sky in unforgettable colours. Great Keppel's beaches are pure, natural magic. The island's warm, clear waters are a playground for all, inviting you to dive in and experience the magic of the ocean firsthand. Whether you're a seasoned swimmer or just dipping your toes in, there's something here for everyone to enjoy. Snorkeling is a must, just a mask, and you're surrounded by vibrant coral and colourful fish at spots like Shelving and Monkey Beach. The underwater world here is alive with movement and colour, making every moment beneath the surface feel like a new discovery. Even beginners can marvel at the beauty just below the waves. Rent a kayak or paddleboard to explore hidden coves and see the island from a new perspective. Glide across the calm, glassy water, taking in the breathtaking coastline and the gentle sounds of nature all around you. Calm seas make paddling easy, and you might even spot a sea turtle gliding beside you. These gentle creatures are just one of the many surprises that await as you explore the island's tranquil waters. For deeper exploration, local operators offer scuba diving trips to stunning reef sites. Descend into a world of vibrant marine life, where every dive reveals new wonders and unforgettable sights beneath the waves. But you don't need to be an expert. Sometimes a simple swim in the gentle waves is pure bliss. The water is so clear and inviting, it's impossible to resist the urge to just float and let the world slow down. Float on your back, gaze at the sky, and let your worries drift away. The peacefulness of the ocean here is unmatched, offering a rare chance to truly unwind and reconnect with nature. Splash and play near the shore, or just enjoy the refreshing, clean water. Families and friends gather here, laughter echoing across the waves as everyone finds their own way to have fun. Water activities here are for everyone, from thrill seekers to those seeking peace. Try your hand at something new, or simply soak up the sun and the sea breeze. The ocean's beauty is both exhilarating and soothing. Its sparkling surface invites adventure, while its gentle rhythm calms the soul. Every moment in the water is a memory in the making, a chance to connect with loved ones and the natural world in a place you'll never forget. Beyond the beaches, Great Keppel's wild interior invites exploration. Walking tracks wind through hills and forests, offering everything from easy strolls to challenging hikes. Climb to the island's highest point for panoramic views of white beaches, turquoise bays, and distant islands. Along the way, breathe in eucalyptus and wildflowers, and listen to the chorus of birds. Watch for echidnas, rainbow lorikeets, and other wildlife that make each walk unique. Even a short stroll between beaches reveals new perspectives and hidden beauty. These walks are about slowing down and savouring the journey, not just the destination. Every path connects you more deeply to the island's spirit. Nature's garden here is alive, vibrant, and endlessly rewarding. Walking on Great Keppel is nourishment for body and soul. After a day of adventure, you'll want a cozy place to rest. Great Keppel Island offers simple, charming accommodation. No towering hotels, just comfort close to nature. Stay in a cabin, villa, or safari tent at the holiday village, all just steps from the beach. Wake up to birdsong and enjoy breakfast on your porch, feeling at home in paradise. For a wilder experience, camp near the shore and fall asleep to the sound of waves. The campground has basic facilities, perfect for those who love the outdoors. Pack light. Bring comfy clothes, swimwear, walking shoes, a hat, sunscreen, and a reusable water bottle. There's a small shop and restaurant, but bringing snacks is handy. Wherever you stay, the island's relaxed vibe makes every night restful. Great Keppel Island is more than a holiday. It's a journey for the soul. The moment you arrive, peace washes over you. The quiet lets your mind truly relax. You notice the little things. Wind in the trees, sun on your skin, the ever-changing sea. The island inspires freedom and adventure, inviting you to try new things and create lasting memories. There's a deep connection to nature here, Watching turtles swim or stars twinkle reminds you of life's wonders. This connection is grounding and healing, putting worries in perspective. The island also brings you closer to loved ones, with time for real conversations and shared experiences. Whether laughing on the beach or watching the sunset, you reconnect with yourself and others. The happiness and contentment you find here linger long after you leave. That's the true magic of Great Keppel Island. As our island journey ends, we take home more than memories. We carry the feeling of sun, sand, and sea. Great Keppel Island isn't just a place, it's a state of mind, a reminder of nature's simple joys. I encourage you to seek out this hidden paradise and let its beauty restore you. Whether you're a seasoned traveller or new explorer, the island offers something special for everyone. The journey here is a return to what matters: nature, connection, and happiness. I hope this adventure has inspired you to see the world with fresh eyes. Thank you for joining me. There are many more stories and journeys ahead. Let's keep exploring this beautiful world together, one destination at a time. Until next time, may your days be warm, your heart full of wonder, and your dreams bright with new horizons.